Living in harmony, student. Harmony means a state of agreement or of peaceful existence together. So हम लोग कैसे एक साथ खुशी से रह सके, इससे बोलते हैं लिविंग इन हार्मनी. इंडिया सेलिब्रेट्स द इंडिपेंडेंस डे, रिपब्लिक डे and Gandhi Jayanti as national days. These are national celebrations. These celebrations indicate to the world that India is an independent sovereign state. Sovereign means independent. India never depend upon any other country. It has own military, it has own products. If India needs some products, then it imports from foreign, and on behalf of this, some products also to be export to outside India. So India is likely to say that it is an independent country financially, physically, mentally. India is fit to protect its country, to survive its country, to look over its people and care its people, give education to its people, is all are independent from other countries. So let us be proud to be Indians. Every citizen who loves his motherland is a patriot. The citizen means any people who is residing any country is known as the citizen of that same country. So we are patriot. Patriot means राष्ट्रवाद, देशभक्त जो बोलते हैं. As long as there is a patriotism in our hearts, India will march forward to progress and prosperity. जब तक हम में देशभक्ति का नज़ारा होगा, हम तब तक हमारे देश बहुत डेवलप और फिनेंशियली सक्सेस की तरफ से आगे निकल जाएगा. द नेशनल फ्लैग, द नेशनल एंथम, द नेशनल एम्बलम, the national symbols all symbolize the nation pride of every Indian and signify its rich and varied culture heritage. हमारे राष्ट्र की जो राष्ट्रीय झंड है, जो राष्ट्रीय सिंबल अशोक स्तंभ है, वो सब ये दर्शाता है कि हमारा इंडिया एक ओल्ड ट्रेडिशनल कल्चर को फॉलो करता है, जो कि ना किसी को हर्ट करता है, ना कोई हर्ट करने से वो डरता है. अभी चाइना रिसेंटली अटैक्ड इन लद्दाख इंडियन बॉर्डर, क्रॉस्ड 1.5 किलोमीटर टुवर्ड्स इंडियन लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल, बट इंडियन आर्मी फाइट विथ चाइना एंड फाइनली they go back. So this is why I call that India follows old tradition, old culture. It never hurts to any country from its side. Millions of Indians sacrificed their lives for the independence of our country. The prosperity we enjoy today is the result of hard work of our great leaders who teach us the lessons of love and sacrifice. This is the culture which every Indian inherits from its motherland. When British ruled over India, at that time so many freedom fighters burn and they fight, they sacrifice their life for the independence of our country. So that's why we are grateful to them, and they teach us how to love our motherland. So today video this much, next video I will upload very soon. Thank you.